And now we are going to discuss network topology of class 10. Topology. What is topology? Network topology is the arrangement of the elements of a communication network. Network topology can be used to define or describe the arrangement of various types of telecommunication networks, including command and control radio networks, industrial, field, bus, and computer networks. There are four basic type of topologies. Like first is point to point, bus, hybrid, star, mesh, ring, and one more. Star topology. All hosts in star topology are connected to the central device, as you can see in the figure, known as hub device, using a point-to-point connection. Point-to-point connection between hosts and hub. Advantage of star topology, disadvantage of star topology. First, we are going to see the advantage, that is easy to install and wire, no disruption to the network when connecting or removing device, easy to detect faults and to remove parts. What are disadvantages? It requires more cable length than a linear bus topology. If the connection network switch fail, nodes attached are disabled and cannot participate in computer network communication. More expensive than linear bus topology because of the cost of the connecting device network switch. Ring network. A ring network is a network topology in which each node connects to exactly two other nodes, forming a single continuous pathway for signals through each node, a ring. Data travel from node to node with each node along the way handling every packet. Advantage of ring topology and disadvantage of ring topology. Flow of data is in circular direction, which minimize the chance of packet collision. Second advantage, the unidirectional ring topology provide very high speed. Third, it has better performance than bus topology, even when the nodes are increased. Fourth, ring network can handle high volume of node in a network. Disadvantage, a single break in a cable can cause disturbance in the entire network. In unidirectional ring, a data packet must pass through all the nodes. Addition and removal of any nodes in a network is difficult and can cause issue in network activity. Fourth, ring network is much slower than Ethernet network under normal load condition. A bus network is a network topology in which nodes are directly connected to a common half-duplex link called a bus. As you can see in the figure, there is a one cable that is called thick coaxial cable and also called as a backbone cable, and all computers are connected with BNC connector through the thick coaxial cable, and then they are interlinked. Advantage of bus topology: easy to connect or remove device in a network without affecting any other device. In case of any computer or device failure, there will be no effect on other device or network. Cable cost is less as compared to other network topology, example mesh and star. It is easy to understand topology, easy to expand by joining two cables together. Disadvantage of bus topology: in the case of any device failure, it is difficult to find the fault in a network. If the backbone cable damage, the entire system will fail. If network traffic increase or device increase, the performance of the network decrease. Proper termination is required to prevent bouncing of signal. The use of terminator is must. It is slower because one computer transmits at a time. A mesh network is a local network topology in which the infrastructure nodes are connected directly, dynamically, and non-hierarchically to as many other nodes as possible and cooperates with one another to efficiently route data from or to clients. Advantage of mesh topology. Each connection can carry its own data load. It is robust. A fault is diagnosed easily, provides security and privacy. Disadvantage of mesh topology. Installation and configuration are difficult if the connectivity get more. Cabling cost is more and the most in case of a fully connected mesh topology. Bulk